Hey guys, and welcome back. Well, an Alabama woman is behind bars in the U.S. Virgin Islands after she violated COVID-19 safety measures put in place by islands authorities. Now, according to Virgin Islands police, 41-year-old Franquetta Taylor of Birmingham, Alabama, uploaded fake negative COVID-19 test results into the island's online travel portal. Now, this is what the Virgin Islands Consortium reported. Now, the USVI travel portal is intended to screen visitors for corona, and people traveling to the island are required to submit a negative test result within 5 days of their arrival. Taylor is the seventh person charged after submitting altered or fake test results into the portal, the Virgin Islands Daily News reported. Now, she is facing 4 charges, including fraudulent claims upon the government, use of false information, access to a computer for fraudulent purposes, and filing or recording forged instrument. Now, her bill was set at $5,500, which she has been unable to pay, outlets report. Now, she is in Bureau of Corrections custody pending an advisement hearing. Now, earlier this month, a Texas woman was also arrested for submitting altered test results, according to a VIPD release. Now, she was also wanted by Texas authority for violating probation. Yeah, guys. I don't understand why she didn't go ahead and just go get the test. People, I guess people don't understand fraud. When you alter something, that's fraud, and that's a felony. And like we said, dealing with the government, no. It wasn't worth it. Now, All right, guys. Yeah, I heard about people doing that, trying to do fraudulent test results. No. You don't want to suffer those consequences. Because that, she may get jail time. All right, guys. That's it for me. Thank you so very much for watching my video. I hope that you will like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'm Party. Be blessed, y'all.